So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-sign up for free sa ating Spotify app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, para makapag-sign up for free tayo sa ating Spotify, unang-una is kailangan mag-download muna tayo ng Spotify app sa ating App Store or sa Google Play Store. So kapag meron na guys, i-open lang natin yung ating Spotify app. So ayan guys, pagka-open ng ating Spotify app, meron tayo dito ang tatlong options para makapag-sign up. So pwede tayong mag-sign up free, continue with Google account, or continue with Facebook. So depende sa inyo kung ano yung gagamitin nyo guys. Pwedeng gamitin yung email nyo or yung inyong Facebook account. So sa akin guys, is gagamitin ko na lang is continue with Facebook. So yun na lang yung itatap ko. So, tap nyo lang yung continue with Facebook kung Facebook yung gagamitin nyo. Or kung email naman guys, is ilalagay nyo lang yung inyong email address and then i-verify nyo lang para makagawa tayo ng account sa Spotify. So, dito, itatap lang natin yung continue as my name. So, ito yung pangalan ko sa Facebook. So, tatap lang natin para ma-confirm. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nagkaroon na ako ng account and nakagawa na agad siya ng ating Spotify account. So, kung makikita nyo naman, yung profile picture is the same sa aking Facebook account. So, ganun lang kasimple guys kung paano nga ba mag-sign up for free or gumawa ng account sa Spotify. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.